Samsung is launching the Galaxy S25 and it will be a super flagship smartphone. It will come all the premium specifications and features in a compact body design and size. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The smartphone is coming with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x touch screen display with 6.2 inches display screen size and resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, 416 ppi. Refresh rate is 120 Hz, 2600 peak brightness. The Galaxy S25 powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and a 4.47 GHz octa-core CPU. The RAM will be 12 GB and storage will be 128, 256 and 512 GB. Samsung Galaxy S25 has a triple camera setup. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide. Phone has under display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It is fitted with a large 4000 mAh battery. That's all for now and thanks for watching.